the rough draft. The intro took a while, so let's just shoot through the intro. How do you prepare for death? Your whole life, do you travel and try to do the stupid things that life has to offer? Or do you prepare to be right with God? 2, the leopard is outmaneuvered by the great warrior. In the Bible, it says Nimrod founded Babylon, not the sage, not the scribe, not the mason, not the trade route person, not the craftsman. Okay. And this is significant, right? The opposition view is Babylon's extended mystery system, Sumer, Babylon, occult, magic card, bitch. Okay. Number 3, the striking down motion, okay, which addresses the short. What is all this all about? Alpha bout. The short guy and the big round guy aren't naturally set to be the alpha. Okay. The set position of the boxer, right? The gym workout, taking a blow, how much of a hit you can take is like a hooker, how much dick she can take. Okay. Excuse my French, but this is extremely relative when knives and swords are phallic symbols and spears and so on and so forth. All right. So this video, therefore, is called The Real Alpha Point, The Real Alpha Rallying Point. It's also the Lord thy God is a warrior, Exodus 15:3, versus the simp sons, okay, the colonial Simpsons. So let's get through there's 12 points of discipline, okay. Who's right versus the ritual, or the right UL. Okay, we're going to try to avoid the wordplay, keep it simple. I suggest you watch this intro again if you're a little confused. It's sound, and I can tell I said it right. Number 1, the world is stolen. It's full of ill-gotten gains. Okay? It's a calculated scientific theft. This can't be some kind of natural transition, spiritually, morally, or otherwise. It is a calculated scientific threat. Okay? It is that simple. There is no complicated explanation that counters these arguments. It is that simple. Okay? The rally point, the real alpha point. Okay? That's what you're supposed to do. It's the right thing to do. It's the courageous person's thing to do. Number 2, people are formed from trickery-based sex, coercion, rape, okay? And there's subtle forms. The whole system is trickery-based sex. Even the word consensual has the word con in it. And I'm sure with that wordplay alone, you can understand exactly what I'm getting at, and you're going to miss some of the forms of it, but you'll understand enough of the forms of it. Using money and so on and so forth is wrong. And social norms that are made by corporations who are sexual sadists. They're in sex cults. They want to control sexual behavior. And these people are mimicking Lady Gaga and all these people and everyone. Rock and roll, cowboy singers, you name it. They're all social controllers to control sexual behavior. Number 3, the evilest people control behavior. Look at the trajectory of mind control. Even people who are from the Amazon tribe know that fucking you should know better than to sit there holding your dick and pretend that this is not happening. Number 4, the people are transforming into evil. Okay? Every day, your children will be more evil than you are. Number 5, you're supposed to put their fate into God's hands, not put your children before God. See Matthew 10, if you need a Christian point of reference. Number 6, the warrior is supposed to be focused on the right thing to do, not the craftsman with a thong. Number 7, there's no romantic love in society. No true love is allowed for because of how people behave. Look at how females treated me. Number 8, nobody is worthy, and life is not worth living. Really figure that out. Don't be a dumbass. Be honest with yourself. Number 9, courage, corazon, core alpha zone, heart, right? Abraham sacrificing Isaac for God. He's willing to sacrifice Isaac, and he was ready to sacrifice Isaac. And this is the time to be willing to sacrifice your children and to do God's work and take them with you if you must. Number 10, mind control, subtly, okay, with the food and the air. The evil people have the privilege to control the sheep. Number 11, colonialists versus victims. Whose side are you on? The globalists versus the regular people in the country. And number 12, rally point principle. Okay, Prince Alpha Pole. Okay.